What's up guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to share how to copy trade multiple take profit trader accounts using Replikanto. And I want to start by saying that I'm using an Intel-based MacBook Pro. So if you are a Mac user, you'll need to download VMware Fusion to run Windows on your Mac because NinjaTrader only runs on Windows, and Replikanto, the copy trader, only runs on NinjaTrader. So with that said, if you are already a Windows user, you won't need to follow the first few steps to download VMware Fusion. So let's get started. In the description, I've left a link down below to download VMware Fusion, and it sends you to this Broadcom website. You'll need to log into your Broadcom account, and if you don't have one, you'll need to register for one. And once you register, just log in, and the login will take you to the Broadcom dashboard. But you won't see the download there. So what you'll need to do is go to the search bar, paste the link again, and it will take you to the download page. And it will look like nothing's there, right? But what you'll need to do is click VMware Fusion 13, and you'll need to download one of the releases. So the newest release should work. When I downloaded it, I only had the 13.6 option, so I ran with that, and it works fine. I've never updated it. And something else to note is that if you have an Apple Silicon Mac with the M1, M2, or M3 chips, any version above 13 will work. And that applies to Intel-based Macs too. But the only difference is you'll need Windows 10 for Intel-based Macs and Windows 11 for Apple Silicon Macs. So just download the most recent version because that should work. I'm running 13.6 and it works just fine. So once you've downloaded VMware Fusion 13, you'll need to download and install Windows. So I've also left a link in the description down below for Windows 10. And remember I said Windows 10 works with Intel-based Macs. So if you have a Apple Silicon Mac, download Windows 11. But here's Windows 10 for Apple Intel Macs. Confirm. It's loading, and it will ask you what language you want to choose. Use English unless you aren't English. And then the version I used was 64-bit. Here, I think my webcam was blocking it, but 64-bit. So download the 64-bit for Windows 10 or Windows 11. And you'll need to install it on your computer. And when you install it on your computer, it will ask you what storage size you want the computer to use. And I used 60 gigs, but you can choose how many gigs you want Windows to take up. You can always change it later. So next, you'll need to install NinjaTrader inside Windows. So once you've installed Windows on your Mac, unless you already have Windows, you'll need to go to the NinjaTrader website. I've left this link down in the description below too. And you'll need to log in, use your Take Profit Trader credentials, because it will have your license key within your account. So log in and then download NinjaTrader Desktop. But also remember that this needs to be downloaded on Windows because NinjaTrader only works on Windows. So download that. And then next, you'll need to configure NinjaTrader for multiple accounts. So this is what NinjaTrader will look like on VMware Fusion Pro. when it's completed. So just give me a second to change the screen. You will see OBS in the background for a second, and this is what I use to record the screen. So there's OBS, and we will navigate to VMware Fusion. And this is NinjaTrader, right? So when you log into NinjaTrader, you'll need to go to Tools, Options, General, Multi-Provider Mode, and click that checkbox and apply and hit OK. Okay, so now that NinjaTrader is installed, you will need to configure your accounts to NinjaTrader. So what you'll need to do is for Tradeovate accounts, click on NinjaTrader, add, and for Rhythmic accounts, click Rhythmic for NinjaTrader brokerage and add. And then once it's added, it will ask you to make a connection name. I chose TPT for Take Profit Trader. And in the username that says optional, it's not optional. You have to enter the username, but put in your Take Profit Trader credentials in the username and password. Hit apply and OK, and you're done. Your Take Profit Trader account is now linked to NinjaTrader. Okay, next, we will need to download Replikanto. Okay, so let's go back to the Google Chrome where we can download Replikanto. And I've left a link down in the description below to download Replikanto. And it is somewhat pricey, but it's worth the investment if you are serious about a trading career in the prop firm space. So it costs $199, so nearly $200. And there are different options you can choose. I chose a single machine, which is $199. Two machines is $299. So just purchase Replikanto and then download it. Okay? And then once you've downloaded Replikanto, oh yeah, one more note. This needs to be on Windows if you're a Mac user. So install Replikanto on Windows. And then next, you'll need to install Replikanto onto NinjaTrader by going to Tools, Import NinjaScript add-on. So you'll get your download in a zip file. And let's change the screen real quick so I can show you. Once you get the Replikanto zip file from the download, you'll need to go to Tools, Import NinjaScript add-on, and it will take a little bit to load, especially if you're running VMware Fusion on your Mac. It's not as fast as the Apple software itself. So click on the zip file that you got from the download, and these are all the new updates that I got. So every time you need to update Replikanto, you can put it in the NinjaScript add-ons. So click the file, open it, and then that's it. So whenever you need to update your Replikanto, just go to Tools, Import NinjaScript add-on. They have updates every once in a while. And once that is done, let's see, let's go back to Google Chrome. Let's see. What's next is you'll need to generate your machine ID for activation to activate Replikanto. So when you purchase Replikanto, there will be a machine ID that you need to link NinjaTrader. And that is right here. I've put the link down in the description below of how to get your NinjaTrader ID, NinjaTrader machine ID. So you'll need to generate a machine ID in NinjaTrader and then put that into the Replikanto website. So once you purchase Replikanto in NinjaTrader, you'll need to do this. Now we're going to generate a machine ID in NinjaTrader. So once you purchase Replikanto, you'll need to go to Help, Third-party licensing, enter the vendor name, Flow with a capital F, B with a capital B, type in bots with a capital B. So capital F, L-O-W, capital B-O-T-S. And then user defined, you can put whatever you want, name, business name, whatever, or just any random thing. But I put Jeremy. And when you hit submit, I'm not going to submit because I already did this, but it will create a machine ID that you will put into the Replikanto website. So submit, copy the machine ID, and then let's go back to the Replikanto page. You'll need to put that machine ID from NinjaTrader into this box. So paste it here and then hit change and save it. I think it will save it when you hit change. And once you do that, that's it. You're now ready to copy trade on NinjaTrader using Replikanto. So let me know if you want a follow-up video showing how to actually mirror trades live or how to manage risk. Because once you start copy trading, right, it will bring out emotions in trading that you may have not experienced yet, such as similar to over leveraging in trading. So once everything's all set up, go to connections, click TPT or take profit trader, and it will look like this. And you'll go to new, Flowbots, Replikanto. And Replikanto is the copy trader. So this is what it looks like. This is the copy trader. And you're going to need to pick an instrument. I trade micros GC, so micro gold futures. And you need the August 25th date. So whenever the contract sizes change, the contract switches happen, you need to always stay up to date with the dates. And you'll choose a leader account. So in my last video, I said I blew one account. So what I'm doing is I'm copy trading 4 pro accounts and then I'm retaking one test account, but I'm taking the test account as I'm profiting or losing with the pro accounts. So pick a leader account, go to ATM copy, click all of these. So ATM is the advanced trading something. You guys know what ATM means, but it copies the brackets such as stop loss orders or take profit orders. And that's all you need to do. There are other options in here that you can choose. So right now it's at exact quantity. So choose exact quantity. I like doing that, but you can also do ratios. So if you want the follower to be a 1 ratio and you want to multiply, say, this test account by 2, it will make it so the leader account will trade 1 micro, but the test account will trade 2 micros. But I don't do ratios. I just do exact quantity. And that's pretty much it. So if you do need to copy trade multiple accounts, this is how you do it for your take profit trader accounts. And it also works with other firms such as Apex, Funded Futures Family, My Funded Futures, or anything that's a TradingView account except TopStep, because TopStep TradingView accounts don't work with Replikanto. Only Rhythmic TopStep accounts work with Replikanto. But Rhythmic, from my experience, is really laggy. And you'll need to download Rhythmic Trader Pro to run at the same time with NinjaTrader. And it's just too much for me. I don't like Rhythmic Trader Pro accounts, so I stick to TradingView accounts. But anyways, that's it for the video. If you need to, let me know if you want a follow-up video showing how to actually mirror trades live or how to manage risk across multiple accounts. Or if you have any other questions or any other video topics, because in my last few videos, I've been getting some really good comments and they've been helping me out with new video ideas that might help other traders out. Also, one more thing, copy trading multiple accounts is really risky because there's the potential upside, but there's also the potential downside of blowing 5 accounts in one sitting. So you can withdraw from 5 accounts at once, but you can also blow 5 accounts at once, and that really hurts. And earlier I was mentioning that copy trading multiple accounts brings out your emotions in trading that are similar to like over leveraging. So there's that. But what I like about copy trading multiple accounts is that you can size down in trading, like say only trade one mini contract and limit yourself to one mini contract and set smaller target profits and still come out with a lot of profit for the day. Because let's say you made 200 bucks, that's times 5, and that would be $1,000. But anyways, take care, peace out, and good luck out there.